Norfolk Southern. Don't know my number. Right there. There's a train. Barely even got it, but I don't even know the numbers. Says I'm in a freaking Ingles parking lot. Double racks. Just heard it just now. Ignore my sister. It's just two engines. And DPU. I think I hear something. Oh. Fucking Norfolk Southern train. It's been a while since I got a Norfolk Southern train. Like last time I got it was like in the yard, in the train yard. Last time I got a Norfolk Southern was there. Everything's been RG Coleman. Why not? Your train's long. There you are by Main Street. Yeah, you missed it, Hannah. You missed the engines. There's two up there. And you missed a bunch of the train, Hannah. This is a long train, Hannah. Hannah, don't lean on the window. Don't break this freaking window. Oh my, Mom. Seriously, oh my. This is bad spot. Kumalala, kumalala. Oh yeah. Hannah! Oh my, why do I keep pressing at the fucking ground? Hannah, let go of the trash! Mommy, get the trash! It's out there! Yeah, now you just got a freaking litter. Come on. Flipping. And there they are by them. Okay. I'll try and get you. Let's just this is long. I think probably over 100 boxcars already. Arms that keep shaking. Oh, there's the end. What's your flat out? I think that's the end. Yep, that was the end. Wow, that's a long train.
Anna, sit down. You dancing?
Okay. It's all.